Alright guys, that's it. This is my last episode and after this I'm closing my channel.
No. Wait.
You know why I'll probably never say that? Because I genuinely love trading. I love being able to share with you the opportunity to make real money and improve your life. And where else can you earn $2,000–$3,000 in just 10 minutes, starting with just $5–10 Seriously, where? And the best part is, you're your own boss. You can trade whenever it's convenient for you and there's no need to invest large sums of money to get started. So stick around till the end of this video and I'll show you step by step how to master trading.
Alright.
Hey future technical analysis experts, I'm Evelyn and I've been trading for 4 years, specializing in binary options. Just in the last year alone, I've made over $1 million. Here I share my experience. We test the most effective strategies for trading binary options. Plus, I reveal the coolest hacks that could bring you a daily profit. If you're eager to cash in on trading and be part of our fabulous community, all you need to do is click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Give it some thought. And once you've done that, be sure to hop into my Telegram channel, where I'll walk you through binary options trading step by step. You'll be able to trade using my signals for free and earn just as much as I do.
Thank you so much for everything you have done for me.
Your signals has been amazing.
The link to the channel is in the description below this video. Come on in, let's get rich together and turn our dreams into reality. Today we're shaking things up a little with an experimental session. I'm trying out a strategy with 2-minute trades, but to keep things lively and our process dynamic, I'll be speeding up our little trades by double. Let's see if you guys will like this format. And I've decided to throw in a little challenge for myself. With each trade, I'll have different music tracks playing, intended to throw me off and distract me from trading. Let's see if I can pull through this session and earn a clean $3,000 just like all other times. Here we go. So let's dive in and check out the settings. First up, our candle time frame is set to 1 minute with our trade time at 2 minutes. Our currency pairs for today are US dollar and Chinese yen, Euro and British pound, Canadian dollar and Japanese yen, and Australian dollar and Swiss franc. And thirdly, I'll be enlisting the help of a few indicators today. For Bollinger Bands, let's set the period to 6. We'll make the top line blue and bump up the thickness to 5, adding a bit of opacity. The middle will be yellow and the bottom will be red. And for MACD, we'll be using parameters 12, 26, and 9. You've probably come across the Bollinger Bands. They're like this fancy ribbon that wraps around the price of a financial asset. Think of it as 2 borders, one up top and another down below, that create a corridor around the moving average. The fun part, the less wild and crazy the market gets, we call that low volatility, the closer these borders get to each other. So it's like they're hugging the price. Now let's talk MACD. It sounds like some fancy tech acronym, and well, it kind of is. It stands for Moving Average Convergence or Divergence. Quite mouthful, right? This indicator helps us gauge and predict price swings. Typically, when the MACD line, usually the blue line, decides to cross over the signal line, usually the red line, from below to above, that's a buy signal. But when the MACD line crosses the signal line from above to below, yep, you guessed it, it's waving a sell signal. So, in our trading toolkit, the MACD shines bright when we are trying to spot trend shifts, while Bollinger Bands allow for a pretty good analysis of the trend during its movement.
Ooh, that's good.
Alright, I asked my friends to create a playlist for me, so I genuinely have no idea what's gonna play next. By the way, what's the hottest genre in music right now? Who are the top artists? Let me know in the comments. Let's expand our musical horizons together. Okay, let's gear up for a mega music session. Adventure time! Ready, steady, go!
Let's get this party started!
Wow, is that drum and bass? I thought everyone forgot about that genre. The candle's life cycle is nearing its end and the lines are starting to move upward. We are anticipating that the new candle will rise. Placing the bet. And yes, this trade is ours. 19 bucks. Excellent. We are off to a solid start. Let's keep the momentum going. This song sounds so familiar. On the second pair, We see the MACD sell line is going up, so that means, or maybe it's not that song. Anyways, we are predicting a downward trend. Betting down. Just a little more. Yep, cool! 36 bucks in the pocket. But these random songs keep throwing me off. Darn it, I gotta stay focused.
Why is Chubby here staring at me?
Focusing.
Okay, let's see. Oh, such a beautiful song makes me feel like dancing. The formation of a new candle and conditions of a rebound will go upward. Boom! Excellent! Our capital's now bumped up to 69 bucks. Okay, time to engage anti-music mode. Yeah? Come on. Come on, seriously? Playing rap? That's a low blow, guys. If we zoom in a bit on the chart, we can spot the beginning of a real trend. The candles start to behave passively, with low volatility, and start sinking downwards. I'm hitting the red button. Come on, come on. Yes! 133 bucks in our wallet. Not even the music can stop us. Give this video a little love by hitting that thumbs up button, because I'm dishing out some seriously awesome tips to help you level up and earn big. Let's keep this party going. Okay, wait. Classical music? Maybe next time I should host the video in an 18th century costume? Looking at the MACD's red line, it's clear. Everything's crashing right before our eyes. Bet down. Phew! Our balance is $255. Beautiful.
It's a beautiful day.
Oh no! This one's not tempting at all! The chart shows a possible trend reversal. Let's ride this freshly baked downtrend. Executing the trade. Wow, well executed! Pocketed 490 coins!
Yes!
Not this lullaby again. Seriously? The candle will go down as the situation mirrors our previous currency pair. We are targeting a drop. Pressing. Wow, up! Another successful trade. We are up $921. It seems like I've become immune to good music. Right here, it's pretty clear that the market's taken a nosedive since the fourth investment in a row is headed down. Clicking the button now. Yoo-hoo! Yes! Lovely! We've got a total of $1,768, and all thanks to regular practice.
Thank you.
By now you know how crucial skill building is for a trader. It's super important to learn about the most unique and profitable strategies, so I strongly recommend utilizing the tools from this video. Here I am in real time making $5,147 in less than 10 minutes. Watch the video, apply the strategy, and earn a sweet paycheck. Click here or go to the link in the description.
Okay.
It seems like there's just a tiny bit left. Let's push a bit more. Benny Hill show? For real? Oh, you joker. Should I use that as my soundtrack? Let's see. This pair seems steady enough to play the trend down. Whew. We've grown our account to $2,688. Just one more push to go. No way. My favorite song. Okay, gotta keep my composure here. Let's see. The euro and the pound. The candlestick reached its logical bottom. And there's been a trend reversal. Click up. That's how it's done! So there you have it. That's the spirit of a real trader. Not even psychological tricks can distract us from our goals. We've turned 10 bucks into $3,608, all thanks to the training we've been through.
Great! Congratulations!
Want to dive into the world of trading but not sure where to start? Well, you're in luck. Just hop onto my Telegram channel. The link is right below this video. And guess what? As soon as you shoot me a direct message, I've got a step-by-step guide ready for you on how to master binary options trading. Reveal all the ins and outs and even those tiny details most people overlook. You can literally follow my trades and earn just like I do.
Everyone, keep doing what you're doing. You are changing lives through your free signals.
Feeling a bit nervous? Don't be. It's way easier than it looks. No need to bring any trading experience to the table because I'll be sharing all of mine with you. Plus, you don't need a large starting deposit to kick things off.
I just started trading 2 days ago. I started with 100 euros and I'm already up to 500 euros right now.
Binary options? It's a market where anyone, yes, even you, can make some serious cash and consistently turn a profit. So what are you waiting for? Jump into Telegram. I'm super excited to hear from you.
Yes, yes, yes!
All right, lovelies. That was a fun session. We took a look at yet another strategy with some awesome indicators. With it, you can be stuffing your pockets with fresh stacks of cash. And hey, while we're at it, now is the perfect time to shower me with likes and comments. But wait, I've got another little gift for you. A video with a super strategy that helped me earn enough to buy an iPhone 15 Pro in just 15 minutes, starting with only $2. So go ahead, click right here or find the link in the description. Discover a fabulous way to get rich.
How did you get the house back from the bank?
I bought the bank.
And definitely invite more friends to my channel. Let's build a massive trading community. Sending all my love and kisses. Bye bye kittens, and catch up with me in my cozy little Telegram channel.